Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we show you how to view messages sent on Instagram. We start by entering Instagram and clicking on the messages icon. After that, we enter into the conversation we want. Here, to see the messages we have sent, we will identify them because they appear in a different color, such as blue. If we hold down a message we sent, different options will appear, and even if it is recent, we can edit it. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.